Today we read Lesson 5, Understanding Map Symbols and Legends. Maps can be used to show many different kinds of information. One of the main uses of maps is to show locations of towns and cities. However, maps can also show where cotton is grown, cattle are raised, and where different species of wild animals are found. The possibilities are almost endless. Often, one map shows more than one kind of information. This means that in some way must be used to help the person reading the map understand several kinds of information shown on the map. For example, if a map shows the locations of towns, roads, and parks, there must be some way to know which is which. Using map legends. Maps use symbols to help the reader distinguish different kinds of information. The meaning of each symbol is explained in the map's legend or key. Each symbol used on the map is shown, along with an explanation of what the symbol means. There can be many different symbols. Some maps show these kinds of products in a state or country produces. Often the maps use picture symbols to show where goods are produced. For example, a small picture of an oil derrick may be used to show where oil is found. A picture of a sheep may be used to where sheep were raised. Sometimes maps use colors or areas of shading as symbols. This is often used when an example of a feature is being shown covers a wide area. Population density maps use several colors to indicate different levels of population per square mile or kilometer. Here are some examples of shading: a dashed line and spots. When you are reading a map that uses shading, you must be very careful to read the map correctly. It is easy to get shading like the following mixed up: diagonal lines going north and diagonal lines going east. If you have trouble telling such patterns apart, try this. Look at a part of a map you wish to read, and look at the legend and pick the pattern you think is correct. Cover the others with your fingers or a piece of paper. Look at the legend and then at the map. This should help you discover if you have picked the correct pattern. Thank you for joining with me for Chapter 5. I will read to you Chapter 6 soon. I need to work my outros.